Hi guys, Mitch here. I just want to make a quick video about this product, the sleeping bag liner from Lixada. I actually included this in my gear list in the previous video. I'll put the link in the description below. The gear list reference for newbies. So for those who are new to camping, please watch the video. It will surely help you a lot. So, okay, going back to the product. This is a sleeping bag liner with a warm enhancing technology. Actually, naging favorite ko na siya since I have been using it for a few times already. Hindi ko siya ginagamit as my sleeping bag liner. Ginagamit ko siya as my main blanket during camping because maganda yung insulation niya. So, the product measures to 200 cm in length, no? So mahaba siya. It's almost the same length with the typical tent, no? Typical tents usually measures up to 200 to 230 cm in length, no? And then yung width niya is 72 cm, no? This is for a single person only, so one person only. And ito yung cloth niya. Soft siya. It is soft to the skin. And then, hindi siya kagaya nung foil type na emergency blanket na pag inopen mo na siya, hindi mo na siya, you can hardly fold it back again, no? Or parang one time use lang ata yun, no? So, eto. Yung cut niya is meron siyang slit sa gilid na I think this is around 25 cm, no, para hindi ka mahirapang pumasok. So, parang ganun. May velcro siya dito if you want to lock yourself. So, pwede mo siyang gawin or you can just leave it open like that. Kasi nga mahaba siya, no? It can cover up to your head. And then inside, it has a reflective technology. And maganda siya. What it does is, it traps your body heat so hindi ka masyadong lalamigin. So mas maganda siya if you know how to generate heat from your body. Normally, yung tao, warm naman talaga yung body natin, di ba? Unless you're cold. Kung malamig ka na tao, tapos lalamigin ka pa, problema mo na yan. Malaking problema talaga yun. No? So normally, the body temperature is warm, no? And if you know how to generate heat from your body, the better in cold condition, no? So yun ang technology nila. It traps your body heat. But I'm not saying na gamitin mo siya as your main blanket also, because what works for me might not work for you, no? Maybe you need more insulation than I do. Pero ako talaga is madali akong lamigin. Madali akong lamigin. So, my old blanket is, I think, made of polyester and silk. Pero pag malamig siya, mas lumalamig yung cloth, no? Mas lumalamig siya. That's why I look for a blanket na mas maganda yung insulation. But mostly, yung mga blanket, masyado namang makapal. And I don't want to bring a bulky gear kasi nga I only have 36-liter backpack. So I don't want to carry bulky items with me. So kaya ito, nakita ko tong product na to and I am very happy with my purchase. So if you wanna try it, you can check it out. I'll put the link in the description below. Pero guys, this is not a sponsored video. I just want to share the good experience with this product with you, no? They also have a different color. This is silver, pero it's more on titanium. Maganda siya, maganda siya. So it's the same length, the same cut, the same material, no? Magkaiba lang yung color. So, if you want to order, tip lang, mag-COD kayo. Don't pay ahead. No? COD lang. Kasi I ordered a couple times and they canceled it kasi out of stock pala sila pero hindi nila dinideclare na out of stock sila. So, they canceled my order twice. So, I just kept on ordering and then the third time meron na silang stocks. So, just be patient. If you want this product, just be patient. No? Basta mag-COD ka lang para hindi ka masyadong ma-hurt. Okay? So, yun. Maganda siya. Especially pag single ka, wala kang katabi. Wala kang katabi. Maganda talaga siya. No? So, yeah. If you wanna go lightweight, save more space in your backpack, no? Go for it, guys. The lighter, the better. No? Pero if I will be going to higher altitudes, I would need my old blanket. No? Gawin ko tong bag liner and then pangsapaw yung yung old blanket ko na din, lightweight din siya and then it packs really well. So, product is good, it is light, insulation is better, it packs very small. So, yeah, why not? Okay? So, that's it for now, guys. Until next time, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.